Alright, here she is. The carburetor is done. Fired it up yesterday and it went really well. But that's what I rebuilt right behind the air cleaner there. And I still need to do some cleaning up. Chrome needs to be polished up a little bit, but I'm going to take her out for a run here. And I'm going to start her up here in a little bit. And see how she does. Try it for a second day. One thing I did is I put in some baffles. I'm not really sure I'm going to keep them. I've got them kind of lollipopped into the exhaust right now because I'm not sure I'm going to keep them in there. So let's give her a start here in a minute and see how she does. Enricher, it's got to come up. Always prime old carburetors. There you go.